Hello everyone, this is Joe Garcia with TokenLinx, where real estate transactions are redefined. Please go to our website to learn more about what makes TokenLinx different, how consumers can benefit, and what's in it for the entities involved in the real estate transfer process. We also ask that you subscribe to our newsletter, like and or follow us on our social media profiles. We can be found at TokenLinx. That's links with an X instead of a KS. This is episode 3 of our education miniseries about things you may or may not know about blockchain. All of our episodes are broken into 5-minute quick overviews based on feedback from our users and insiders. You can find links to the previous episodes in the show notes below. Today we're going to talk about blockchain and how it's different than traditional databases. Talk about any software that may or may not be required to access and use blockchain technology, the security of blockchain relative to other types of networks, and if there is any one thing about blockchain that everyone should know but doesn't. How is blockchain different than a traditional database? Both serve as repositories of data. A traditional database is always centralized and controlled by an administrator. In addition, traditional databases are based on a client-to-server architecture, while blockchain is a distributed ledger architecture. Blockchain has transparency among clients, while databases are closed. Traditional databases support and use a technical term called CRUD operations, CRUD, which stands for create, read, update, and delete. In a blockchain, there are no update and delete operations. Data is entered and can never be changed or deleted in a blockchain network, thus making it immutable. Is a special software required or needed to use blockchain technology? While there isn't necessarily a specific software necessary to access a blockchain network, there's more of a specific area of expertise. Developers can open windows into a network by specialized computer-to-computer interfaces. A well-developed interface makes using the blockchain transparent to an everyday user. The technology under the hood is what makes blockchain function. From the server's standpoint, to participate in a public blockchain network or to be a node, the computer does need special software. The administrator of a private blockchain must run special software to manage the activities of various organizations in the network. However, the complexities of the underlying technology and network can be concealed from a normal end user of a blockchain network, public or private, with a good user interface. Do you have to be an IT professional to access a blockchain network? Not at all. A well-designed gateway interface developed by blockchain professionals makes it easy and transparent for end users to access, read, and transact to the network. How secure is blockchain relative to other types of networks? It is extremely secure due to the distributed nature of blockchain networks through the use of consensus mechanisms, algorithmic hashing of data and transactions, and the use of cryptography. Private blockchain networks offer an additional layer of security by nature of controlling who can access the network. What is the one thing about blockchain everyone should know about but doesn't? Blockchain is not dependent or tied to any cryptocurrency. It's a better mousetrap alternative to a traditional database system that opens up options for transparency, efficiency, security, and accessibility when applied to real-world business transactions. Blockchains are a safer way to manage transactions and therefore are superior at preventing fraud. This concludes this episode of the education series from TokenLinx. Again, I'm Joe Garcia with TokenLinx, and again, ask that you go to our website to find out more information and subscribe to all of our social media networks. Until next time, thank you very much.